Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to create a profile for a Ethernet-DMX converter. First, let's reopen our demo project. Select the folder and select the project file. Click Open. Now, as we want to create a new profile, click on New Profile. Here we want to create a converter profile, so select Converter and give this profile a name. This will be my stage left converter. Select the model. For my project I will be using a Ethernet-DMX 8 rack MK2. Mind that to be fully compliant with the profile created with the application, your converter should be running 4.2.0 firmware at least. Click Next. Here is a quick way to set up your unit. You can set your box as an all-output box or all-input box. I'll be using an all-output box. I'll be using the ARDNet protocol on all output, and there won't be any merging set yet on the output. And I'll be using universe range from 1 to 8. Press Next. Give the first node a name, and the second node as well, and an IP address. You can also set here the IP address of the RDM controller. This will mean the converter will be only listening to that RDM controller. Press Next. The profile has been created. Here you can see the output number, the direction for each outlet, the protocol in use, the universe number from 1 to 8 as described before, a normal output. There won't be any merge on the output. You can set a legend per port, and you can decide to use RDM as well per port. To quickly make some changes on some port, simply select a port, and let's say we want to use RDM on output 1 to 3, enable RDM, and if you want adaptive discovery and interweaving. As a warning, the DMX frame rate should be smaller than 35 microseconds to get interweaving working. You can use on the top hand side, you can use the quick selection tool to select or deselect some rows. You can set some outlet as input or output and set the unicast IP address if needed. You can also notice that if some specific settings are not set yet, the checkbox will be grayed instead of being green, which means this box is dependent of another settings. So this means that you will need to change into the global settings the frame rate to a lower value than 35. If needed, you can also quickly copy the settings of one port to another port. Let's say I would like to copy port 1 to port 5, 6, and 7. Simply select port 1, destination 5, 6, and 7, and press copy. This is a very easy way to quickly create your profile. Press Next. If you're willing to use the trigger system, here you will be able to select the universe and enable the trigger. This will be covered into a separate video. Here you can set the DMX details of the output and the way the node is currently sending DMX. And this is where you can set, if you want to see the warnings or the errors, to lock automatically the front panel of the device, or if you want to apply a code on both the front panel or the web interface, or if you want to automatically disable the backlight of the front end display after 2 minutes of inactivity. There is no more next button, which means the creation process is over. Simply click on Save button to store your profile. Thanks for watching.